Welcome to your new morning routine. Today, we're diving into a quick and effective 10-minute fat-burning workout that requires no equipment at all. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or just someone looking to kickstart your day, this workout is designed to fit seamlessly into your morning schedule. Let's get started. This workout is all about high-intensity movements that will elevate your heart rate and boost your metabolism. We'll focus on exercises that engage multiple muscle groups, helping you burn calories and tone your body at the same time. First up, we'll begin with jumping jacks to get your blood flowing. Just 30 seconds of this classic move will warm you up and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Next, we'll transition into high knees, where you'll drive your knees up towards your chest. This not only increases your heart rate, but also engages your core. After that, we'll move into bodyweight squats. Aim for 30 seconds of squats to strengthen your legs and glutes. Follow this with mountain climbers, a fantastic way to work your entire body while keeping your heart rate up. We'll round out our workout with some plank jacks and burpees, pushing your limits and maximizing fat burn. Remember, the key is to maintain good form and listen to your body. If you need to take a break, that's perfectly okay. As we wrap up, take a moment to cool down and stretch. Reflect on how amazing it feels to have completed this workout. You've taken a powerful step towards your fitness goals, and every little bit counts. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Here's to a healthier, happier you.